Hey everybody, today on Henry's HowTos, I'm going to show you how to make Persian Khoresht-e Mast Esfahani. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing we're going to do is just into a small saucepan, we're going to put 500 grams of lamb neck. Now you can also use beef neck if you prefer, that's up to you. And to our lamb neck, we're going to bring across one brown onion, slice through the middle, and just coarsely chop it and add it in. Next we'll add about a teaspoon of salt, about half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, and we're just going to top this all up with some cold water. So don't go all the way to the top because it's obviously going to overflow, so just go about a centimeter above the actual meat. So let's move on to our stove now. So I've just placed it on my stove on a medium heat. We want to simmer this for around 45 minutes to an hour. We obviously want the meat to be nice and tender. Okay, so we're at the 1 hour mark now. As you can see, it's well cooked and nice and tender now. So what we need to do at this point is just strain it. So we just want to be left with the meat now, as you can see. And what we want to do now is use a stick blender or a hand blender to just mash this up. So what we want to do next is crack in 1 egg yolk. Next we'll add in half a cup of white sugar. Next we'll add in about 2 cups of yogurt. Now I'm just using natural yogurt for this. Don't use a Greek style as it will be a bit too sour. We don't want that sour flavour in this. Now let's move back to our stove. Now we just want to keep this on a low heat. And just carefully stir all that through. Now your heat should be as low as possible. Once you've got that well combined, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of saffron water. And we'll mix that through as well. So just continue stirring for another 2 minutes. After a few minutes, I'm just going to add in a teaspoon of rosewater. Now this is optional, but I find it gives a really nice flavour. So once everything's well combined, we can turn our heat off. And we can pour this into our container. So I've just put it into a container. As for garnishing, I'm just going to top it with some barberries, known as zereshk. And also some crushed pistachio. So that's all there is to it for at this stage. What we need to do now is cover this, place it into the fridge, and we want to leave it overnight. So this is something that needs to be served cold. Okay guys, so I've just left mine overnight, and just look at that. And as you can see, it's nice and thick. And just look at that. It's almost like ice cream actually, a soft serve. So I know you're probably thinking it's a strange combination, but surprisingly it does work. And it is a very popular dish. So guys, give it a try, don't be scared. I hope you like that guys, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.